Pearce, Director of Restoration for the Audubon Naturalist Society, coming to you from my home garden. Spring is a great time to think about how stormwater moves through our yards. I have a miniature creek bed that directs stormwater into a rain garden. Rainwater that collects on the roof flows from a downspout into the top of the creek bed. Gravel and cobble let the water flow under a stone step in the front walkway. And continue under a wooden footbridge until it reaches the rain garden, which is about 2 feet lower than the rest of the yard. The stormwater that would have rushed from the yard into the street is slowed down and given a chance to soak into the layers of soil and gravel in the rain garden. This keeps pollutants from reaching the Chesapeake Bay. Deep-rooted native plants that can do well with periodic flooding help to soak up the water. At the same time, they add interest to the garden. This inkberry stays green all year long. Virginia sweetspire has 4-inch blooms in May and June and bright red foliage in fall. Cinnamon fern can grow up to 5 feet tall and is named for the color of its fertile fronds. Eastern blue star will form large clumps. Its blue flowers will open fully in May, and the feathery foliage will turn golden yellow in fall. Dwarf crested iris is a great choice for the margins of the creek bed, where it will spread by rhizomes and provide blooming color even in deep shade. If you're interested in creating a rain garden at home, many local governments have programs that can help with expertise and financial support. In Montgomery County, Maryland, the Rainscapes Program offers rebates for rain gardens, conservation landscaping, and other stormwater management measures. You can also come visit us at Woodend Nature Sanctuary to see examples of rain gardens and conservation landscaping.